Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how we can use text split function in Microsoft Excel. You see here we have space, we have backward slash, forward slash, colon, semicolon and comma. Doesn't matter which argument you have, it can split your text. As you see here, just drag it. Watch to the end to learn this powerful function. To split the text in cell A2, just equal sign text split, select the cell, comma, we need add a quotation. Here we have just space, so just add a space and quotation and close the bracket, enter. Directly it split the text. If you drag this one to the cell, it doesn't work because here we have different argument, which is backward slash. How we can add this? It's easy. Just from here, go to the formula. First we have to add curly bracket, then that's the argument for space. We have to add a comma, double quotation. Since here we have a space between backward slash and the text, we have to add a space, then backward slash, space, and quotation, then curly bracket, enter. Now, if you just drag to here, it works for this row also. For this one, if I drag, you see it doesn't work. Since here we have colon and here we have forward slash. How we can solve this problem? Again, it's easy. Come back to first cell, then add another argument for colon and forward slash. Just comma, double quotation. We don't need space because there's no space between colon and the text. Just add colon, then double quotation. And for this forward slash, just comma, double quotation. We need a space. Since we have a space here, space, forward slash, space, double quotation, enter. Okay, drag it. You see it works for set row also. For this one, it doesn't work since we have semicolon and comma. Again, let's add these two arguments. Come back to here, comma, double quotation. Here we don't need a space. Just add semicolon, but after semicolon we have a space, add space, double quotation, comma, double quotation. Here we don't have space between the text and comma, just add comma. Now we have to add space since we have space after comma, space, and double quotation, enter. Now if you just drag, it works for all. Now if I delete this, now you are expert. If you want to split another text which has all this argument, you can directly add the argument and drag the formula directly. It splits the text. If you found this video helpful, like it, leave a comment and subscribe. Have a nice day.